Accidentally deleted WhatsApp chats? Here's the ultimate hack to bring them back. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, launch WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings and tap Chats to enter the chat customization menu. Next, scroll down and select Chat Backup to manage your backup option and to save your current chat data including any recent deletion. Backups allow you to restore messages from the Google Drive or local storage when needed. Finally, tap on the backup. Once done, your message will be secure in the backup. So this is how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.